My hair wasn't like this. It all started like that. When chemicals damaged my hair, I had to do the big chop, and I was struggling to grow my hair. But after finding the best way to grow my hair and also incorporating natural ingredients into my hair care regimen, now my hair is much thicker, more beautiful. And today I'm going to show you one of the tips I use to grow my hair. Vitamin E oil has been one of my go-to oils when I was experiencing hair shedding and also when I wanted to grow my hair much faster. Vitamin E oil comes in different packages. You can get them in the capsules or in the bottle. Either way, it is still vitamin E. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I incorporate vitamin E oil into my hair care regimen to help me grow my hair much faster and also to stop hair shedding. I use sweet almond oil with vitamin E oil. Sweet almond oil is very great when it comes to hair growth. It can treat your scalp from dandruff and also strengthen your hair. There is no measurement to this. I just measure some oil and put it in a bowl. Before moving on to my next oil, I just want to give a shout out to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch me and also supporting me. And if you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and I hope you join us by subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, and also sharing this video. So I also add extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is also great when it comes to natural hair growth. It is one of the best oils that can easily penetrate your hair strands and to prevent hair breakages. Alright, so this is the real deal. That is a vitamin E oil. It works to nourish your scalp and also your hair strands. Vitamin E oil can prevent hair breakages and also prevent dry scalp. When added to your hair care regimen, it is going to boost your hair growth by improving blood circulation in the scalp and also preventing scalp inflammation and other scalp issues like dandruff, dry itchy scalp, or anything that might hinder your hair from growing. So with this oil, you use it directly on your scalp. Make sure you massage it into your roots, to your hair strands. If your hair is not braided, you get it into the hair strands and every part of the hair. Massaging your scalp will also improve blood circulation in the scalp, will help this oil penetrate into your roots, and with that, it's going to prevent dandruff and other scalp issues, as well as stimulating new healthy hair growth. Alright, so the next way that I use my vitamin E oil is by adding it to one of my natural ingredient recipes. Today, I'm going to use rosemary herbs. Rosemary is also great when it comes to hair growth. It can stimulate new healthy hair growth by improving blood circulation in the scalp. Rosemary water, when used directly on your scalp, can also prevent scalp issues like dandruff. Rosemary will stimulate new healthy hair growth, prevent hair breakages, and help to improve the overall health of your hair. It is very easy to prepare rosemary water. You just get some rosemary herbs, either the dry ones or the fresh ones will do. Put it in a saucepan, add some water to it, and allow it to boil for about 7 minutes. After that, just set it aside, allow it to cool down. Once it's cooled down, just strain it and you have your rosemary water. Once it's all cooled down and is all ready to be used, feel free to add your vitamin E oil. A few drops will go a long way. You don't need much of vitamin E oil because it is really potent. It does the work. Guys, if you are really serious about growing your hair and you haven't been adding vitamin E oil to any of your hair care regimen, you should start now. Once I have my rosemary water like so, I put it in a spray bottle and I spray it directly on my scalp. I use this as a leave-in. I use it to refresh my scalp, my hair strands, and this will help prevent hair breakages and also stimulates new healthy hair growth. The next way that I use vitamin E oil is using it with my mint leaves. Mint is also great when it comes to hair growth. It has similar properties to the rosemary. It will treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. And you all know about clove. Clove is a great natural ingredient when it comes to natural hair growth. Clove will improve blood circulation in your scalp to improve new healthy hair growth. It can also help stop hair breakages, premature growing of the hair, and also improve the overall health of your hair. Once I have my clove and my mint together, I put in a mason jar, add some hot water, then leave it to sit in the water for about 20 minutes or till the water cools down. Once it's cooled down, I'm going to strain it to get the water out. I'm going to add extra virgin olive oil. You can feel free to add any oil of your choice. But one oil you should add to this recipe is the vitamin E oil. It is going to maximize the benefit of the natural ingredients put together and is going to help improve new healthy hair growth. This time I use a vitamin E capsule. You just have to use a sharp pin or a scissors to cut it, and once you have the oil exposed, just add it to your fresh mint leaf water. Then after that, put in a spray bottle, use it directly on your roots, on your hair strands, every part of your hair, and leave it in the hair. Make sure to massage it into the hair and also go in with a hair moisturizer. The last way that I use vitamin E oil is also using it with the same mint leaves and cloves. But this time, I'm not going to use it as a cloves or mint leaf water, but rather I'm going to use it in a different way, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But hey you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and your loved ones. Alright, so it's the same mint leaves and the clove, but this time I blended the two together. Then after that, you can add any oil of your choice. I chose to add sweet almond oil because I love what it does to my hair. But you can use any oil that works best for your hair. There is no measurement to this, it just depends on the quantity you're trying to make. After adding all the ingredients, put a bowl in a pot of boiling water. And this is a double boiler method. You're going to leave it in the water for about 20 minutes or till the oil is warm to touch. After that, you set it aside to cool down, then you strain it with any material with tiny holes. You can use a cheesecloth, you can use your clean wig cup or anything you prefer. Then after that, you're going to add your vitamin E oil. I'm going to use a capsule this time. I added it to the oil and this is how it's looking. You can use this oil directly on your scalp, on your edges, on your roots, your hair strands. Just massage it into your hair, every part of your hair. And this will ensure that you will not experience any more dry scalp, dandruff, hair shedding, hair fall, and it's going to improve the overall health of your hair. This will boost hair growth. Thank you for watching this video, but before leaving, click on the video you see on your screen right now to see other ways to grow your hair much faster.